The hidden energy, how human electromagnetism and biofields interact. Welcome to the Wonder Well where curiosity lives. In today's exploration, we'll dive deep into the incredible world of human electromagnetism, mentalism, and synchronization. We'll explore how the invisible forces of biofields interact between humans and affect everything from our thoughts to our physical well-being. If you find this fascinating, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Wonder Well. When we think about how humans interact with each other and the world around us, we often limit our understanding to the physical senses: sight, touch, smell, sound, and taste. But beneath this sensory interaction lies a web of invisible forces that scientists are only beginning to fully understand. These forces are electromagnetic fields or biofields generated by the human body, and they play a significant role in how we connect with and influence the world around us. Humans are bioelectrical beings. Every thought, every muscle movement, and every beat of our hearts generates electrical impulses. These impulses create electromagnetic fields around the body. While this might sound mystical, it's firmly grounded in science. The human heart and brain in particular emit measurable electromagnetic fields, and researchers have discovered that these fields extend far beyond the body. In the 1960s, Dr. Robert O. Becker, a pioneer in bioelectromagnetism, discovered that humans emit low-frequency electromagnetic waves. He found that these waves could help to regenerate tissues and even promote healing. Becker's research led to a deeper understanding of how the body's electromagnetic fields are vital for health and well-being. Further research into heart electromagnetism by the HeartMath Institute revealed that the heart's electromagnetic field is the most powerful in the human body, extending up to 3 feet from the body in all directions. The heart's electromagnetic field is so strong that it can be detected by scientific instruments several feet away from the body. This field can change based on our emotions, suggesting a deep connection between our feelings and the energy we emit. Dr. Roland McCready, Director of Research at HeartMath, has emphasized how our heart's electromagnetic field interacts with others around us, essentially influencing the mood, emotions, and physiological responses of people nearby. This may explain why being around positive people often uplifts our mood, while negative energy can drag us down. This synchronization between heart fields is an area of growing interest, particularly in understanding the science behind interpersonal connections. Mentalism refers to the idea that our thoughts can directly affect reality, an ancient concept that has found new scientific backing. Modern research shows that thoughts are not isolated events but are accompanied by bioelectrical changes in the brain and nervous system. Quantum physics has introduced the idea that thoughts themselves might have energetic properties, influencing the world at a fundamental level. The double-slit experiment famously demonstrated that the act of observation, conscious awareness, can alter the behavior of particles. This experiment suggests that consciousness and matter are intertwined in ways we don't fully understand yet. In mentalism, this is where the power of thought comes into play. The mind's electromagnetic waves, created by the firing of neurons in the brain, extend beyond our skulls. This has led researchers like Dr. Joe Dispenza to suggest that we can influence our reality through focused thought and intention. Studies on neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself, support this idea. By changing our thoughts and beliefs, we can rewire the brain's electrical activity. This process has been linked to healing, as seen in the placebo effect. Harvard University's placebo studies show that the mere belief in a treatment's effectiveness can cause measurable changes in brain waves and health outcomes, even when the treatment itself is inert. One of the most fascinating aspects of human interaction is synchronization, the process by which individuals' biofields and rhythms align with one another. This phenomenon occurs on both a physiological and energetic level. When people spend time together, their brain waves, heart rhythms, and even breathing patterns tend to synchronize. This is known as entrainment, where the stronger electromagnetic field of one individual influences the weaker field of another. According to Dr. John H. Gruslier, an expert in biofeedback and brain entrainment, this synchronization can have profound effects on emotional and mental states. For example, when musicians play together, their brainwaves synchronize in ways that enhance creativity and performance. Similarly, couples who are emotionally close show synchrony in their heart rates and breathing patterns, a process confirmed by EEG and ECG studies. This physiological alignment is thought to be a key factor in emotional bonding and empathy. Researchers like Dr. Barbara Fredrickson have also studied positive resonance, where the biofields of people engaged in positive, emotionally uplifting activities resonate together, creating a feedback loop of well-being. This aligns with mirror neuron theory, which suggests that humans are hardwired for empathy and synchronization, responding not just to others' actions but also to their emotional states. Biofield science, the study of the body's energy fields, is still in its infancy, but it's a growing area of interest. Dr. Beverly Rubik, a leading scientist in this field, has argued that understanding how biofields work may revolutionize medicine. Biofield therapies such as Reiki, acupuncture, and therapeutic touch are based on the idea that the body's electromagnetic energy fields can be manipulated to promote healing. Studies show that these therapies can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and improve overall health. According to Dr. Rubik, this works by restoring balance to the body's biofield, which in turn influences the biochemical processes within cells. The interaction of biofields between individuals may also explain phenomena like energy healing or the sense of a vibe when entering a room. While more research is needed, early findings suggest that our biofields are not only integral to our health but also central to how we connect with and affect others. The fields of human electromagnetism, mentalism, and synchronization offer a new way of understanding how we interact with the world and each other. We are not isolated beings. We are deeply connected through invisible energy fields that can affect our thoughts, emotions, and health. So the next time you feel in sync with someone or sense the energy in a room, remember, it's not just in your head. It's science. If you enjoyed this dive into human energy, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the Wonder Well for more explorations into the mysteries of life. Stay curious. Books for further research. The Energy Codes by Dr. Sue Morter. The Field, The Quest for the Secret Force of the Universe by Lynne McTaggart. Electric Body, Electric Health by Eileen McKusick. Mind to Matter, The Astonishing Science of How Your Brain Creates Material Reality by Dawson. The Biology of Belief by Bruce H. Lipton, Ph.D.